Okay, so let us then move on to the first type of part that we would like to design. So if I pop back to the assembly over here, I think the easiest one would be the spacer, so that little washer that is inserted over there. Okay, so if we have a look at the actual design of that part, it has an outer diameter of 30 millimeters, an inner diameter of 10, and a thickness of 5. So pretty simple, right? Let us then start with a sketch on the front plane. The reason why I'm sketching on the front plane, because as you saw in the assembly, it is actually vertical instead of horizontal. So when I insert it into the assembly, it will already be in the correct orientation and ready to be placed where it needs to go. Okay, so I will use my mouse shortcuts and swipe to the right to select a circle. That's the inner circle, and the outer circle. Swiped upwards for my dimension tool. Now my first dimension will scale the rest of the sketch. Outer diameter of 30 and inner diameter of 10. Once I'm happy with that, I can then go and extrude that. That was a thickness of 5. So let's change that to a blind of 5 millimeters, and we can click OK. And as simple as that, there we have our spacer. So once we're happy with this, we can then just double check all the dimensions, 30, 10, and 5. And I can see my material is there already, and I can then save this part file. So once I have chosen the file location where I would like for this part file to go, I can then name it. I will, however, be adding an underscore to the end, since I already have a part called spacer. Once I'm happy, I can click save, and there we have our first part.